Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking your Firefox version and locating the profile folder. This matters because file formats differ across versions. Once done, close Firefox to prevent writes that can overwrite deleted records. Make a quick copy of the entire profile folder to an external drive or another safe location so you can experiment without risk. Next, inspect the profile for key files places. SQLite and favicons. SQLite, these are where history data lives and will guide which recovery method you choose. You now attempt data extraction. Open places. SQLite with a SQLite viewer to see if deleted rows remain in the database. Sometimes entries are unvacuumed and recoverable. If the DB is intact, export URLs and visit dates, then import back or replace the profile file. Once done, try Firefox's built-in backups in About, Config, or Session Store backups to restore recent sessions. If the file is missing or corrupted, run a file recovery utility on the profile directory to recover previous versions of places. SQLite, you finish by carefully replacing the profile files with recovered versions while Firefox remains closed. Then restart Firefox and check history and bookmarks. If recovered data appears inconsistent, use the SQLite tool to rebuild or vacuum the database and re-import missing rows, making sure to keep backups of each attempt. If Firefox fails to load or data is missing, revert to your initial backup copy and try a different recovery tool or professional service. This single troubleshooting tip prevents permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.